Here we have a Toyota Sienna with a VMI NorthStar E wheelchair accessible van conversion. This conversion has a manual in-floor ramp. The ramp is 30 inches wide and has a 1,000 pound weight capacity with plenty of space to turn 360 degrees in a wheelchair. The front passenger seat is easily removable, which allows space for an adult wheelchair user to ride from the front passenger position. This conversion is designed for a wheelchair user that always has a caregiver or driver with them to handle the manual ramp. The manual ramp is a lower cost option and is easy to operate. The in-floor ramp stows under the floor and is out of the way, which allows for ambulatory passengers to enter and exit the vehicle without deploying the ramp. This is a great option for large families. If you have any questions about this wheelchair accessible conversion or any of our other conversion options, please contact your local mobility consultant at Superior Van and Mobility, which you can find at superiorvan.com.